Yeah, and it's not just that, it's a combination of, whoa. I'm gonna go back on over to the door. I know, me too. But Nathan, it's perfectly natural in Central January, and you should get freaked out. That's what the first wants you to do, because it's safe. It makes you think, wow, that wind's really picking up now. My computer is recording, I forgot about that. I was getting stung, and it's like this whole time, I forgot. I forgot to restarted my computer. I can't think of it now. So I'm actually playing right now on mirrors. Is it possibly still for normal high planes? Normal high planes, wouldn't that be more appropriate? Did you play the phone? Oh, I just got that one on the camera. I don't know which one. I think that was west. Northwest. Yes, ma'am. Here. No, I was actually talking to Ash when she just came up. Yeah? Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say who you are. That was my sister. I don't want him to think it was me.
It was you.
Mm-hmm.
I saw Nathan walking home today.
Nathan, my sister, saw you walking home today.
With his cousin.
With his cousin. Freak out now. They can't see you. I don't know. What? So I called in one of your videos again. You would have called in one of mine if yeah, well, you would have if you could come.
Oh my
God! Did you hear that? I can't believe I just got that. That shook my... Ashlyn, where did you go? Whoa, my
That freaking blinded me for a minute.
That blinded me too. That blinded both of us. Did you... Yeah, it was definitely way closer to here, and we heard it like a split second after the bolt. So it was really close.
No, it was like all kind of white outside.
And now I got it on video. Creepy. What are you doing?
What? That was thunder.
Wait, don't go. I can't believe. What? What? I got loopy earlier. Hey, what happened to you on the phone anyway? Yeah. Yeah, me too. I think that's a good idea. I don't know if that was the bolt. Did you see the bolt or just the flash?
In the camera?
No, in the sky. Where are you looking?
A flash.
Okay. What? I was trying to call you just so you wouldn't do that because I had a feeling you would. Darn it, I couldn't get through. Oh, well, no. Oh, I can't say it's over now. What? It's over now. We're going to have to get back on Yahoo Messenger and sync up the videos again. I can't believe this happened on the March 12th on your mom's birthday, and then April 5th and April 7th around my mom's birthday. Wow. May 1st. I do. Oh. Where's she at? Hagerstown? Hagerstown? Where is she at? Hagerstown? Trish? Oh, I thought you said Hagerstown. Okay.